Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 3 divided by 1 over 9 times 6. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression we have one division and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to go from left to right. So first this division and then this multiplication. 3 divided by 1 over 9. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we can write 3 times 9 and times 6. Now, 3 times 9 gives us 27, and 27 times 6 equals 162. So our final answer to this problem is just 162.